The day I close my eyes for the last time, you got to kiss that monetary blessing away because it can't go with you. Amen? I've told you the story about the man that said he didn't believe in God, didn't believe in going to heaven, but he said, just to prove a point, if I go to heaven, I'm going to take my money with me. He put all his money in pillowcases, put it up in the attic, so that when he went up to heaven, he could grab his money and take it with him. Here's how stupid, unsaved, unspiritual people are. You got a point there. He could have died in a car accident on the other side of the country. But he determined he was going to grab his money and take it with him when he died. Years later, after he passed, the wife didn't think about it, but she was going up in the attic for spring cleaning and said, oh my God, he went to hell because the money's still here.
Okay.